Hi Paul. Right, here we are. That's a one-to-one model. Should look like that. Something I just wanted to run by you. When I've looked at these designs in the past, I did wonder whether that face and, let me just hide that. I did wonder whether that face and that face did actually properly align with each other, because there's no reason why they particularly should. As far as I know, these designs haven't changed. A lot of Elfa designs have changed in the last 2 years, but these are very consistent ones. In fact, the 250 wide and the 450, the 400 are discontinued, and you probably won't be able to get those in the UK, but the guy I deal with probably will have them. So just a couple of things to think about there. Speak soon.